welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show how to prepare very easy fast rice. Here is my rice, here are my ingredients. So I'm not going to boil meat or chicken, so we just bought this chicken. It's already a toasted one, so you can see it is written. Yeah, it's toasted one already. We bought it just for us to cut and warm it, so here are my ingredients. Here's my rice. I'm going to use butter. I'm not going to use groundnut oil. And here is my Maggi. I have my Maggi here. I have my onion. Here's my onions. I have my tomatoes. I'm using only this cube can of tomato, just one can. I wouldn't think the can is too much. So I'm having my 3-in-1 garlic, onions and paprika, 3-in-1 ingredients. I have also my curry and salt. That's all. My pot is here. So I'm going to first of all on the gas, put my pot and put in my butter, so watch me do that. Here we are. So my pot is ready. I'm going to put this butter. Yeah, my butter is in here. It's already melting, so I'm adding direct my onions. So I'm going to allow the onions to steam a little with the butter before I add my tomatoes. I just cover the onions and the butter. I want it to steam before adding the tomatoes. So you can see the difference now. This is how I want it to be before adding the tomatoes. I'm adding the tomatoes right now. I'm adding my Maggi. There's my Maggi. And my 3-in-1 ingredients. I'm adding my curry. And my sauce. Salt is not enough. I have to add a little more. Yeah, it's okay. Then I have to mix together all the ingredients. Cover it, allow it to cook a little before I add my rice. You can see yummy color, butter. So I'm pouring in water for the water to steam before adding my rice later. Now we need another cube of Maggi, making it 2 cubes of Maggi. I'll cover it now later before I add my rice in. So my tomatoes is ready for me to pour in my rice. Yeah. Here we are. You see how beautiful the rice looks because it's butter. I didn't use oil. I just used butter. So you see, it's so beautiful. So yeah, my chicken, I'm just going to warm it. I told you it's a roasted chicken. I just want to cut part of it that we are going to use for eating the rice. So I'm going to cut it and warm it now. So I want to cover it for the rice to get cooked.